So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. Then you want to expand software. Then you want to expand Microsoft. Now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. Now we're going to expand current version. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now we're going to click on the Explorer folder right here. Click on Explorer. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this no low disk space checks. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to set the value data to 1. So in this box right here, you're going to type in the number 1. Make sure in this box you have the number 1 and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.